Greetings, travelers. Before we begin, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button. You won't want to miss out on our exciting journeys around the globe. Today we are off to Seoul, South Korea's bustling capital. A city that's a delightful blend of the new and the old, where modern skyscrapers, high-tech subways and pop culture rub shoulders with historic palaces and vibrant street markets. So buckle up, because we're going on an exhilarating adventure through the stunning city of Seoul. First, we venture into the heart of Seoul's rich history. As we delve deeper, we come across the magnificent Gyeonggi Palace, the largest of the 5 grand palaces. This architectural marvel, with its grandeur and opulence, stands as a testament to the Joseon dynasty's splendor. But the palace's allure doesn't end with its stately structure. The changing of the guard ceremony, a vibrant spectacle of color and tradition, is a sight to behold, transporting you back to the Joseon dynasty. We then journey through the winding lanes of the Bukchon Hanok village. This residential area, steeped in over 600 years of history, is a maze of traditional Korean wooden houses known as hanoks. Each hanok, with its beautifully curved roofs and intricate latticework, tells a tale of Seoul's past, echoing the rhythms of a bygone era. From royal palaces to traditional homes, Seoul's history lives on in its stunning architecture. Next, we'll fast forward to the present and explore Seoul's modern marvels. Let's start with the iconic Seoul Tower. Perched atop Namsan Mountain, this communication and observation tower is a testament to South Korea's technological prowess. It's not just a tower, it's a symbol of Seoul's vibrant heartbeat. From its observation deck, you're graced with a panoramic view of the city that's nothing short of breathtaking. Day or night, the sight of Seoul sprawling beneath you is one for the books. From the heights, we descend into the bustling pulse of the city, the shopping district of Myeongdong. A vibrant maze of streets, Myeongdong is a paradise for shopaholics and foodies alike. It's renowned for its array of cosmetic shops that line the streets, a testament to the city's dazzling modern beauty culture. But Myeongdong isn't just about shopping. It's a gastronomic delight, with street food stalls offering a smorgasbord of mouth-watering Korean delicacies. Last but certainly not least, we venture into the future at the Dongdaemun Design Plaza. This architectural marvel, designed by the legendary Zaha Hadid, is a symbol of Seoul's innovative spirit. The plaza is a hub for art, design and technology, hosting numerous exhibitions and events throughout the year. Its sleek curves and futuristic design are a visual representation of Seoul's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. In Seoul, the future isn't tomorrow, it's today. No journey is complete without exploring the local cuisine. And in Seoul, the flavors are vibrant, diverse, and absolutely tantalizing. The streets are a veritable banquet of deliciousness, where every corner and alleyway offers a new culinary adventure. From the spicy kick of tteokbokki, the Korean rice cakes that are a staple street food, to the savory delight of gimbap, which is essentially Korean sushi, your taste buds are in for a treat. And let's not forget bingsu, a heavenly shaved ice dessert that is the perfect companion for a sunny day. But the culinary journey doesn't end there. Seoul is also home to the Noryangjin Fisheries Wholesale Market, a bustling hub of fresh seafood. Here, the experience is unique. Select your own seafood, watch it be prepared right before your eyes, and enjoy a meal that's as fresh as it gets. Indeed, in Seoul, each bite tells a story. A story of tradition, of innovation, and most importantly, of delight. As our journey through Seoul comes to an end, it's clear this city has something for everyone. From the ancient grandeur of Gyeonggi Palace and charming Bukchon Hanok village, to the soaring heights of Seoul Tower, the bustling streets of Myeongdong, and the futuristic Dongdaemun Design Plaza. Let's not forget the vibrant food scene, a treat for all senses. Don't forget to subscribe and check the video description for a link to inexpensive travel. Comment below if there's another destination you'd like us to explore. Until next time, safe travels.